Hey everyone, it's Dina Watson. I'm the owner and the lead realtor for the Signature Group real estate team at Keller Williams Realty. And as some of you may know, because you've already seen a few of these videos, we decided in 2017 to give you guys what you were asking for and to answer lots of questions in regards to buying a home or selling a home in our local market. And we started what was called the Signature Success Series. So this is actually part of the Signature Success Series. And this is going to be a video all about the VA home loan. So if you are someone who might be looking in the future to purchase a home using the VA home loan, this is definitely going to be a video you will want to pay attention to. I'm going to give you guys a bunch of quick facts throughout this video, but if you have any questions, scrolling at the bottom of the screen is going to be my phone number and my email address. Feel free to reach out to me. You can also private message me on Facebook or connect with us through the YouTube channel or our Facebook Live page. Fact number one, 90% of veterans and veteran families who are using the VA home loan to purchase a property have zero down payment. What about the other 10%? Well, my husband and I actually fall into that other 10%. And the only reason is because we went over the localized cap for what you're allowed to have out on one VA eligibility certificate at a time, which for our local area is $417,000. So what happens is if you want to purchase another property and you already own one on a VA loan, yes, you can do that. The second property and conjoined with the first property's prices cannot be in excess of $417,000 unless you can put money down. Basically what happens is anything over $417,000, you have to put down 25% in order to qualify to use the VA home loan the second time. So you don't put down 25% of the total, you put down 25% of whatever the amount over $417,000 is. So for us, we went $35,000 over. We had to put down 25% of $35,000. Fact number two, if you are a veteran wanting to use your VA home loan and you have had a prior bankruptcy or foreclosure, you may still qualify to purchase a property through the VA loan. How? Well, the biggest qualification for being able to do that is that your last delinquency on the foreclosure or the bankruptcy had to have been discharged 2 years ago. So there's actually a 2-year waiting period before you're eligible again to purchase. And at that time, you would have to get with a mortgage broker in order to see whether you financially and credit-wise qualify for another property. Fact number three, the VA home loan does not come from the Department of Veterans Affairs. So if you're in the process of purchasing a home and you for some reason feel you need to call the Department of Veterans Affairs, they are not going to know what you're talking about. VA home loans are issued through local or national mortgage branches like Veterans United, Movement Mortgage locally, USAA, Navy Federal, any of your banks, most of them can do VA home loans. Fact number four, the home that you are purchasing on a VA home loan must be used as your primary location. You also usually have to move into that location within 60 days of closing. Fact number five, there is no prepayment penalty. So if you hit the lottery and you want to pay your house off super early, be my guest. You're not going to be charged a prepayment penalty using a VA home loan. Fact number six, there is a funding fee associated with a VA home loan. What is a VA funding fee? Well, there's actually a fee that is associated with obtaining the loan that helps to ensure that the loan continues to require no down payment. It's usually a percentage of the property. If you are on your second mortgage though, and you have another property like my husband and I on your VA home loan, if you put down more than a certain percent, you actually can reduce your funding fee. Fact number seven, there is no monthly mortgage insurance. For those of you who have no clue what I'm talking about, With other loan programs, if you don't have at least 20% equity in the property, you will be required, or may be required depending on the type of loan program, to purchase what's called mortgage insurance or private mortgage insurance, which is where you see the term PMI. And basically that is a fee that's also added to your monthly mortgage payment. Thankfully, you as a veteran do not have to obtain private mortgage insurance if you're using the VA home loan. Fact number 8, the best part, you can reuse this benefit, you guys. I hear a lot of you talking about how you're going to wait until you get out of the military so you can use your VA benefit and you buy the home that you're going to stay in forever. You can reuse this over and over and over again. It is the best thing in the world. You can reuse this as long as you have repaid the prior loan or sold your property and it's paid that off. You get that amount back in your certificate of eligibility to reuse on another home. So you may not want to wait to get out of the military to use that benefit because it's something that the military is paying you a basic housing allowance anyway. And if you're going to be staying in a place for long enough, it may benefit you to actually use that benefit now and later when you move. Alrighty, well, thank you so much for watching the Signature Success series all about the quick tips and facts about the VA home loan. If you have any questions about the VA home loan or about purchasing or selling a property, my email address and my phone number is scrolling again at the bottom. Feel free to call. I can definitely hook you guys up with local lenders, or you can use your own lender anywhere you'd like, and we can get you into a home that you really, really, really want. So I hope you guys have a great day, and until next week, I will see you later.